understand and find intercept, slope, function values, and points. Okay, we've done number 1. They gave you like this information. Would you read it? Absolutely.
The line with equation 4/5x plus 1/3y equals 1 is graphed xy plane with the x-coordinate of the x-intercept of the line.
Okay, they just asked what is the what? X-intercept,
Yeah.
right? You know how to find the x-intercept, right?
It's graphed. What is the x-coordinate of the x-intercept?
Yes, how can you find the x-intercept?
I usually just have a graph calculator.
Oh, that's not good, okay? Even though you can use graph, but the x-intercept means the value of x, okay? X value. When? You know that? Y equals 0. You understand me? So you just plug in 0 for y, okay? For this equation, which means 4/5 x plus 1/3 I said y equals 0, okay? Equals 1. So this is cancelled out. So you just solve that.
5/4.
Yes, x equals 5/4.
Okay.
You said graph.
So if you find y-intercept, is it the same thing?
Yes,
Okay.
that's it. Okay, so which means when you understand x-intercept, y-intercept, yes, if they gave you the graph, yes, you can use graph. But this case is just the equation. And then just ask the x-intercept. So algebraically, you can easily solve that, okay? Okay, look at the next question. They gave you the table.
Yeah.
When x equals 0, y equals -2. When x equals 2, y equals 4, like this way. They said this function is a linear function. And then they just asked f of 3. You understand me?
Yeah.
So using this table, points, you can find the what? Slope and the y-intercept. But you can easily find the y-intercept, right? Number 3, what is y-intercept? When x equals 0, y equals -2. So y-intercept is -2. So you just try to find the what? Slope, okay? You can check the increasing y. -2 to 4, so which means 6 increased by 6. For the x, increased by 2, right? So slope is 3. Oh my god. This function f of x is 3x minus 2, right? And then you just plug in 3. So 9. See, if they ask this f of 4, you don't need to use this f of x. Without using this one, we just use this table, you can easily find f of 4. Okay? How? They gave the when x equal to 4, when x equals 6, 16. This 4 is middle point of the 2 and 6, right? So its function value also middle point of the 4 and 16. Average. So half of 4 plus 16. 21. So 10. Would you check it, plug in 4, please?
12, yeah.
This is idea, okay? So most of us use like an equation of the line, like a linear function. But how taste like information? Like this case, they can also ask like what? F of 1. Oh, 1 is between 0 and 2, exactly middle one. So its function value also middle of -2 and 4. So which is 1, right? Half of the sum of the -2 and 4. Like this way. 5. Look at this problem. They gave you the graph, right? Oh, f of x is a linear function. You can easily consider like what? Y-intercept is? What is y-intercept of the f of 3? How about the slope? Using the
1/2.
yes, 1/2. You can easily find that. But they just ask the g of 9, right? What is the function g? Here, the slope of the graph of the linear function g is 4 times. Slope. So slope of the function g is 4 times slope of the f of x. You said half, right?
Yeah.
So 2. And then they gave you the another passage through 0 comma -4, right? Oh, this is y-intercept. Understand? So you can easily find the function g of x, right? Which is 2x minus 4. You just plug in 9. So g of 9 is 2 times 9, 18 minus 4, so 40. Just ask the what? Slope of line t. They already gave you the how many points? 3 points. Yes, you can use like the formula for the slope, but simply you can write down this way. You can first check rise. Changing to increase, right? So 2 and 3/5, right? How about the change in x? This 9 stands for 18 over 2, right?
Yeah.
So from the 5.5 to 18 over 2.
13 over
13 over 2. Holy, this is complex fraction, right?
13 over 5.
You got that? This one? 13
That
over
13 over 5.
Okay, I don't want to do. I just multiply by 10 and 10. This is how to simplify complex fraction, okay? That you just multiply top and bottom by least common denominator, 5 and 2, okay? So bottom becomes reduce. So 13 times 5, right?
Yeah.
How about this one? 20. Understand me? 1 3/5 times 10 is just a 6, right? So top is 26. Bottom is, you don't need
Something.
13 times 5. You don't need to multiply because this one reduce. 2, right? So the answer is 2 fifths. That's when you evaluate this expression, this case complex fraction. That one also important, okay? If you can use calculator, yes, you can use calculator, but usually I just recommend, okay, to practice, okay? Yes, this one is one. They just used some constant. They gave it what? Y go kx plus 4. Oh, they gave it just the y-intercept is 4, but we don't know the slope. But they said what? If the line contains what? C, comma D. Okay. Some point on the graph, which means that this C, comma D is a solution of this equation, right? Because they want to find the slope. Slope means this K. So this one, two-way, okay? You can first plug in what? D equals K times C plus 4, right? You can first what? Move. So D minus 4, right? And then you want to divide it by C. So slope K is 4 is y-intercept, which means the pass through 0, what? 4, right? Change in y, which means
D plus 1.
or like this way is better, right? 0 through C is better, right? So bottom is C, right?
Yeah.
D minus 4, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this one is just slow. That's it. You just take the 2 ways. So how to understand this equation? You just gather the some information. At the beginning, I said, oh, this 4 stands for y-intercept.
Yeah.
And the C, comma D. And then they just asked, what? Slope. Or they can ask, what is value K in terms of C and D. Oh, K stands for slope. So using the only 2 point, you can easily find the slope. Yes, plug in. It's okay. But I think this way is better.
Yeah.
Okay? I just keep saying that. Simple difference, it's just a small difference makes a big difference. Okay?
Yeah.
You just try to change a little bit small things. That time you can change it like that. I'm Superman. You don't like Superman. Okay, number 7. Oh, there are points, right? They just gave you some information. Oh, passage through what? Origin, right? 0, 0. Slope is? They said 1/7. So you can make the function, right?
Yeah.
Y equals 1/7 x, right?
Yeah.
Plug. So this x from your point, this x must be the multiple of 7 because y value is an integer, right? So you can just check the 7,7 and the 14,2. Yes, 14,2 works. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But and also you can easily understand this slope from the origin. Slope is what?
1/7.
Yes, which means when x increases by 7, that time y increases by 1.
Yeah.
Next point.
14. Yeah, 14 too.
I'm talking about that. Yes, usually most of you use just the equation. Okay, I can make the equation. And then plug in. Okay, I can check it. I just keep asking. You know the slope? Yeah, I know. What? Just the formula? Like this you can easily understand it. Okay, for the other problem, you can easily find the data using the concept of slope, okay? Let me check the next one. Number A, there are 2 points. 2, k and k, 32. But they said what? Pass through origin. You know what I'm saying? So I just write down the 3 point, okay? 0, 0, because they said origin and 2, k.
K,
And
32.
k, 32. Okay. Select any 2 points. The ratio of change in y to change in x always the same, which is called slope. You understand? If some guy is asking you, what is the keyword for the linear equation, linear function, you have to say slope. Most question about the slope, okay? Most question, you can use the concept of slope. So I'm going to use the slope concept, okay? You just use this origin, okay? Using these 2 points, what is the slope? K over 2, right?
Yeah.
How about this one? 32 over K, right? Understand it? Look at that. Increase by K, increase by 2. From this one to this point, Y value increase by 32. Time increase by K.
Okay.
So, using the slope concept, you can make the proportion, okay? You can solve this one using the cross multiply, right? What is it? K squared is 64, right? So K is exactly plus minus. For the number 9, I said you just first check, oh, L is 24 plus 3.5 M. Even though they just use the variable M and L. But this case, M is independent variable. L is dependent variable, like Y. Okay? So this 24 stands for L intercept, because this is L, not Y. Okay? 3.5, yes, this one is slow. Okay? So you just follow it to the like variable. This is not X and Y. You know? And then they just ask what? What is M when L is 73? Can you just plug in? Right? This is 73. And then they just ask what is the value of L. So you can do mentally, right? Move the 24. So 73 minus 24, 49. I just do 20, so just 23 first.
Oh, yeah.
50 and then minus. That's
Yeah.
better. Oh my, minus 24. Okay, I just borrowed the 10. That's not good. That's elementary school. Okay, you just check the little small things. Easy. What is 50 minus 1? Yeah, 49. Okay, over what? 3.5, right? I just write down the 35. You know?
Yeah.
Because both number can be divided by 7. This is 70, This is 5, right?
Yeah.
You can easily divide. 10, 4, right? Okay, this case y equal kx. Y is 24 when x equals 6. From this one, you can easily find the k, right? What is k?
What is
When x equals 6, so y equals 24. So k equals 4.
okay, yeah.
And then you just plug in back 5 for x. So 4 times 5 is 20. But you can understand the y equal kx. This is the linear function. This is line passing through origin. But sometimes we can say this way. This is like direct variation. Y varies directly as x. You know? I just remind you direct variation. Okay? So that you can say that y over x always k. I mean constant. You know what I'm saying? When we solved this one, we first found the value of k, right? And then plug it back, right? But if you understand, oh, this is a direct variation. Sometimes they can ask that, okay? Instead of this one, they said, oh, y varies directly as x. And then same information, y equals 24 when x equals 6. What is the value of y when x equals 5? Right, this way. They can ask it, okay? That time idea is this one. The ratio always what? Constant. 24 over 6 is equal to y over 5. Like this way, okay? So you can first, even though you can cross multiply, but you better simplify this. This is 4 over 1, right? 4 over 1 means just 4, right? Which is slow. But and then you just cross multiply. Y equals 4 times 5. No? You understand me?
Yeah.
So for the special line, which pass through the origin, that you can understand, you can use just direct. This one also like the same thing. If you understand the number 10, you can easily solve this. They gave what? Y equal f of f. Yes, so this is the line. Oh, pass through 0, and origin 0,6. So slope is 6 of 3, like that, right? But this line pass through what? Origin. That time, y varies directly as x. So always what? The ratio of y to x always the same thing. You know? Look at this expression. This line pass through s comma t, right? And then they just ask what is the ratio? What? T2? Yes. I said this is a direct variation. So T2 S also pass through 3,6, right? Which means 6 of 3. This one is 2 to 1. See? You understand me? Most okay, I know the slope. Okay, what is it? Y equal 6 over 2, which means 2x, right? And then plug in what? S comma t. T equals 2s. So t over s equals 2. That's this way also good. But